Hi, my name is Padmavati and I'm from Rotary Club. So we all know that India has been corrupted for the past many years. Government has been establishing a lot of new rules, new laws to wipe corruption out of a country. But why are we just keep on failing in that? Why are we not able to make India a developed one? Because we, the citizens of India, we're not following those government rules properly. We're just breaching it. We're not taking that as a serious thing. If we follow those rules, those government rules properly and efficiently, we can definitely make India a developed country. We can make India a flourished one. Those things are in our hands. So for this year's Independence Day, I'm going to take an oath that I am going to follow all those government rules properly. I'm not going to breach it at any cost. That's going to be my oath. And if I have to describe India in a single word, I would say unity, because the first thing which comes into my mind whenever I think of a country, that's unity. Because India has got a lot of people with different religions, different languages, but we're still united. That's the beauty of our country. We must be proud of it. We should not lose our unity at any cost. So, we are all Indians. So, let's just follow our government rules properly and let's just try to make India a developed one. Vande Matram, Jai Hind.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rotary Rushabh Sangoi. My club name is Rotary Club of Vapi Riverside, RID 3060. The way I want to change the India for the betterment are corruption-free India, control over the black money, reformation of education system, a clean India and proper garbage and drainage system, increase production and usage of products that are made in India, affordable home facilities, complete abolition of child labor and child abuse, encouraging entrepreneurship amongst the youth, reformations of education system. I promise to keep the cleanliness as my second nature. I promise to say no to justice. I promise to take health first. I take oath to consider as a humanity as a greatest religion. I take oath to be more socially aware. One word for describing our country is a motherland. A motherland is a place of one's birth, the place of one's family, or the place of origins of one's native land. We are Indians. Vande Matram, Vande Matram. Stay safe, stay alert. Vande Matram, Vande Matram.
Hello everyone, I am Sharda from Rotary Club of M&M Jain Engineering College, sponsored by Rotary Club of Adayar. Whenever someone asks you what you have to change in India, the most of the answer would be like, I have to change the education system, I have to make the India clean and green, and have to eradicate poverty. Yeah, they are absolutely correct. But what I am saying is, we don't want to do all these things. We have to make one thing that make all these things to change on their own. That is, change yourself. Changing ourselves make all these things to change on their own. Let's start from the poverty. When we tell the word poverty, the one thing that arises in our mind is rising fund, charity, trust, like that. But that's not the correct way to eliminate the poverty. We have to rise their talent, not money. We have to explore their skills to the world. That makes them financially strong on their own. So the second thing is education system. We don't want to change this, let it be the same. It's just a base, not the path we have to go through. So, if we take example MS Dhoni, if he would have thought that we have to change the ICCB like that, he would not hit the helicopter shot. So, as he is special for that, so we have to make the change from ourselves that makes the India to progress forward. So we have to be like Bhumi Mata, who even hold us whatever the harm we do for her. So let we change ourselves to make the India to go forward. As we are Indians, Vande Mataram. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Rotractor Shantanu Sinha from Rotary Club of Delhi Riverside, and I would like to wish you a very happy Independence Day. And on the occasion of Independence Day, I take pledge to keep my motherland clean. Also, I urge all of you to come forward and make this country a better place to live. Because India is not just a country, it's a family where people belong to different states. We are Indians. Vande Mataram.
I am Amata from M&M Jain Engineering College, and happy Independence Day. This is our 74th Independence Day. But do we really tasted the sweetness of independence? No, we always have some set of protocol saying that women should dress in such a way and not to go out after 6 p.m. or 9 p.m. And it is still based on those timings. Every woman is being harassed at least once in her life. A national study says that out of 10 Indian children, 6 Indian children is suffering from sexual abuse. This is a strange proportion, right? And we need to take steps to stop it. So let's speak about it, and we should say no so firmly so that they will understand. If some person is trying to harass you in a bus, don't think twice, slap him and shame him so that he won't do the same thing to the next girl. Or if the person is your colleague or some main staff in your college, take it to the principal or take it to the HR and complain it to the post committee or to the management. If none of these are workable, then file a complaint to the police. These are some of the measures in which we can stop sexual harassment. But what about long-term results? And for those long-term results, it takes a long period, right? It won't come within seconds. So the only way to stop this is we should taught next generation in such a way. We should taught the difference between good touch and bad touch, and how everyone should respect other persons, even if it is a transgender or whatever. We have to respect others, and we should taught those to our next generation, and we should not materialize others. And I guess parents and teachers are the only one who can do this job so perfectly. And yes, this is what I try to say, and this is something that I try to change and always ended up failing. And now it's not me, it's we. So let us fight together. And secondly, the oath I that took in this Independence Day is to adopt a child and to educate her. And I guess adopting is a great idea which we all should think about. And if you ask me to describe India in a single word, I would say, in my point, I would say vibrant, because we are so energetic. If we neglected all those poisonous fruit, we are so vibrant. And as we are all Indians, Vande Mataram.
Hi everyone, this is Road Tractor Ashmita Gaur from Road Track Club of Calcutta, RID 3291. And on this Independence Day, I would so like to mention that if asked if I want to change India in any possible way, probably that will be on only one ground, that I would really want a bit more humanity invested in our day-to-day life, because with the advent of technology and the modern mechanization in our day-to-day life, we probably have forgotten how to live life. We are more towards surviving it. So I believe a bit more humanity and a bit more emotions invested in our day-to-day life will be a better option for us to live rather than surviving. With that, I would also like to explain India in one word. Probably I cannot, but the only word that comes to my mind when I'm talking about my country is the melange. It's unity in diversity for sure, but it is the melange of bonds, of connections, of beauty, and a lot many more assets we are proud of. And with that, I would like to conclude my video. We are Indians. Jai. We're Indians. Vande Mataram.
Hi guys, I'm Arun Kumar from M&M Jain Engineering College. Happy Independence to everyone, and very big thanks for those leaders who took responsibility and sacrificed their precious life for this wonderful day. But whether we took our own responsibility for our mistake, no, we are always blaming others for our mistake. If you not got a job, you are blaming our education system and your politicians. Stop doing it. If you want to become an achiever, don't blame others. Took responsibility for your mistake and success and failures and everything. We can't describe our India by a single word. unity. There is no difference and variation in our caste, religion, etc. We are living together and happily. நீ வாழ்க்கையில் முன்னேறுனா உன்னோட தப்புகளை திருட்டிட்டு முன்னேறத்துக்கு உன் தப்புகளை நீ ஒத்துக்கணும், வாழ்க்கையில் முன்னேறுவேன். ஸோ வந்தே மாதரம். हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस टू एवरीवन. थैंक्स.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है गीतांजलि बोरा और मेरा क्लब का नाम है रोटरेट क्लब ऑफ अग्निगढ़ RID 3240. हम भारत में कैसे बदलाव ला सकते हैं? तो जो मेरा पहला पॉइंट है वो है कि हम प्लास्टिक बैग्स का यूज़ कम से कम यूज़ करें, क्योंकि हम अभी देख रहे हैं कि हर जगह सिर्फ प्लास्टिक बैग्स ही यूज़ हो रहा है. वो मना है पर तभी भी लोग उसी को यूज़ कर रहे हैं. आप अगर घर से निकल रहे हैं तो अपने साथ एक थैला रखें, कपड़े का थैला या जो भी बैग आपके पास है वो आपके पास रहना चाहिए, ताकि आप कुछ भी सामान खरीदे उससे आपका पैसा भी बचे और आपका सामान आपके बैग में रहेगा, ना कि प्लास्टिक का यूज़ होगा. सेकंड पॉइंट ये है कि हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा साइकिल चलाएं, इससे हमारा हेल्थ भी अच्छा रहेगा और हम इको फ्रेंडली रहेंगे. पॉइंट ये है कि आप अगर कुछ भी खा रहे हैं, कुछ भी चिप्स या फ्रूटी, जो भी आप कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स या जूस वगैरह खा रहे हैं, वो आप उसका कचरा जो भी वो है वो जहाँ तहाँ मत फेंके, क्योंकि उस जगह हर कोई हर समय मौजूद नहीं रहता है साफ़ करने के लिए. उनको भी तकलीफ़ होती है हर समय वो सब साफ़ करने के लिए. आप अपना जो भी कुछ खा रहे हैं वो डस्टबिन में फेंकिए, कचरे के डब्बे में फेंकिए, ना कि इधर उधर फेंकिए. इससे हमारा देश गंदा हो रहा है, हमारा एरिया गंदा हो रहा है. आप दूसरों को तो अच्छे से बोल सकते हैं कि आप यहाँ पे क्यों फेंक रहे हो, लेकिन आप खुद पे वो इस्तेमाल करते हो कि नहीं वो आप खुद से पूछिए. भारत को एक शब्द में बयां नहीं कर सकते. भारत को समझना है, पहचानना है, उसकी गहराइयों में जाना पड़ेगा. लेकिन हम अगर भारत को एक शब्द में बोलना चाहते हैं वो है डाइवर्सिटी. टेक एन ओथ टू कंसिडर ह्यूमैनिटी एज द ग्रेटेस्ट रिलीजन. वी आर डिवाइडेड बाय द रिलीजन, पॉलिटिकल बैकग्राउंड्स and by geographical borders. Why add to these divisions when humans can accept others as their equals and not discriminate? We are Indians. Vande Mataram.
Hello everyone, I'm Road Tractor Indumati of M&M Jain Engineering College, sponsored by Road Track Club of Adyar. If any change would happen in India, then as a student I would suggest a change in education system where the students must also be taught about the morals of life and humanistic values, and there should not be any discrimination based on religion, caste and etc. On this day, I would like to take a resolution that I will be a responsible Indian and help the needy as much as I can. There is a saying that everything will be alright in the end. If it is not alright, then it is not the end. So we youngsters will get educated well and unite together and create the change which is needed and make a better India. Happy Independence Day. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.
Namaste everyone. This is Road Tractor Amit Sani from Road Track Club of Ajnigarh, District RID 3240. I hope you all are doing well in this pandemic situation. I am here to share my views on tree plantation. It's the need of the hour. It's very important to protect the greenery of our incredible India. Due to vast deforestation, we have already lost many important species of plants, birds and animals. Even we are endangering our own lives as deforestation causes a direct threat to us in forms of soil erosion. Even the temperature of our Mother Earth is increasing on an alarming rate, further causing climatic changes, global warming and others. We the youth should take necessary actions. Even we can plan plantation drives. We can urge the government to take necessary steps. The government can strengthen the environmental laws. Even they can incorporate some new rules in the curriculum of students. Say, for an example, they can plant a tree in their session every year. And even the human tree ratio in our country is quite low as compared to other countries. It's very important to plant trees as much as we can, because tree provides us with oxygen, shade and many other things beyond we can count. So I pledge I will be planting a tree every month. I'm proud to be an Indian. Vande Mataram.
Kudos to everyone. I'm Rodactor Mahesh, representing Rota Club of M&M Engineering College, sponsored by Rotary Club of Adyar, club number 61097, group number 12, RID 3232. Wish you a very blissful Independence Day, folks. India is a country favored by gods to be blessed with all seasons and is one of the ancient civilizations. And to this aesthetic country, which I call my home, there are certain drawbacks which are sought to be changed. A peaceful country can progress much more than a country with high crime rate. And for this, I would like the government to check the crime rate by making effective laws and by adopting zero tolerance against corruption. As a growing superpower, it needs to become self-sufficient in production of food grains, that is capable of feeding its population through its own production, without any foreign aid. The word I would like to describe India is vibrant. As I see, India is always full of energy, color and life. An example for something that would be described as vibrant is bright, cheery, colorful, and so is my India. The word I'm going to take this Independence Day is that I always will try to save or better someone's life without any discrimination, caste, religion or state. Wherever I am, thought will always come to my mind, and that is what can I give. We are Indians, Vande Mataram. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Anita, M&M Jain Engineering College, RID 3232. Education system has to be changed first. Proper education policies must be enforced in a proper way to ensure the quality of education to each and every student of India. Instead of forcing a typical template of education system over all students, it must be modified in such a way that finds the interest of individual student and to peer them and to mold them into expertise in that domain will make a significant change. As said by Vikram Sarabhai, we must be second to none in the application of technologies to the real problem of man and the society. And the second thing is about sexual harassment. Nowadays, these things were increasing in India. So we have to punish severely the rapist, and so that they have fear and they don't even attempt the rape. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hi guys, I'm Dr. Roshni, Giant Surgeon for the year 2021. Rotary Club of M&M Jain Engineering College, sponsored by Rotary Club of Adyar, club number 61097, RID 3232, group number 12. On this Independence Day, the thing I want to change in this society is to reduce the road accident. Most of the road accidents are caused by the people aged from 15 to 30. And the people who are dying in the road accident are children, old people and cyclists who are traveling in a cycle, and etc. Now I'm going to tell you the main reasons which causing the road accident nowadays. So firstly, not following the traffic rules, and second, the drunk and drive, third, overspeeding and overtaking. Firstly, not following the traffic rules. Some of them are not following the traffic rules, and some of the people don't know about the traffic rules. This may cause the road accident. And secondly, speed limiting. If we fix a speed limit in every upcoming vehicles, if they are passing the speed limit, a certain message or alert will be given to the certain authority and action will be taken. Enforcing alcohol limits. Fourthly, the person who is driving a vehicle by using a phone, his license should be banned. This action will be taken means they will follow the rules, then the accidents will be minimized. And the last is road safety. In the highways, the roads are good, they are maintaining good. But in rural areas, in the villages, the roads are still not okay. So the government has to take care of the roads and should maintain properly. So finally, a slogan: no road rules, no accident. No road rules, no accident. Then finally, I'm going to take a pledge. I will see left, right and other sides of the road before crossing, and I will follow the traffic rules to maintain peace in a wheel and a road. Thank you for the opportunity.
Happy Independence Day. I am Nisha from Shimal Nawazir Munir Jain Engineering College. I have something to say. He is a Muslim guy with a picture of Lord Shiva as his display picture, written Buddha believer on his bio, posting about the life story of Jesus Christ. So, basically what I want to talk about today is secularism. Always there's stereotypes regarding to religion. Though India is told to be a secular country, terrorists are stereotyped to be Islamic or Muslims. Orthodox people are stereotyped to be Hindus. Why these stereotypes? Maybe a majority of them may be true according to the stereotype, but that doesn't mean they aren't good people. India as a country is so good, it is so secular, so why do we discriminate? We need to stop this always. This is bad for all times. The British had a policy of divide and rule. We got independence from it. And what are we doing now? We are again going to the same concept of divide and rule. We need to stop that. We need to stop division based on caste, based on religion, and we only need to have unity in diversity. That's the logo. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rotractor Meenakshi from Rotary Club of M&M Jain Engineering College, sponsored by Rotary Club of Adyar, Club number 61097, Group number 12, RID 3232. So first of all, a very happy Independence Day everyone. And I love my country very much because even though we are very diversified, we stand united at all situations. So what is the thing I want to change about my country is the development. The development is only limited to urban areas and the villages are not getting properly developed. So I want the development to be equally spread all over the country. And the second thing I want to change about my country is the cleanliness. I want to keep our country very clean and neat. The one word I would use to describe my country is paradise. Why would I say it as a paradise is because we have varieties of landscapes from the Great Himalayas to the Deccan Plateau to the peninsula over in the south side to the western and eastern Ghats. The oath for this Independence Day is I would try to use dustbins whenever possible. I would not throw the waste products onto the streets, and I would try to recycle, reuse and reduce usage as much as possible. And we are Indians, Vande Mataram.
Hello everyone, this is Rotractor Samarian Vinil, Joint International Director for the Rotary Year of 2021, RID 3232. First of all, if any changes would be bring in India, I would suggest that a strong changes in education system. A student and as well as a degree holder should be a main part of the society, not only as an bookworm, but they should include them in social works also, and they should get known to the people when they are in difficulties, and they should help each other, and they should not follow discriminations, tolerance, especially caste and religion systems. If these systems would be changed, and then the future nation is in our younger hands, I mean young generation, so they would lift the India in a better way. And I strongly believe that a person can change the world, but not an India to be changed. So put your hands and join together, and let's make our world a happy place to live in. Such a friendly atmosphere gives peace, joy to us and to our neighbor, and hence to our entire world. In that case, it is even possible to relax and sleep with no lock. Such a friendly atmosphere gives peace, joy and happiness. And at the same time, for Independence Day, I used to take a resolution to help the poverty. Whenever I see, I need to help, and this is my worth. And that's it. Anyway, wishing you many more happy Independence Day. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, this is Rotractor Lokesh S. Krishna, Joint Public Relations Officer of the Rotary Club of M&M Jain Engineering College, Chennai, RID 3232. We Indians are known to the world for our proud cultural values. In fact, wherever people around the world celebrate festivities, people from the other nation tend to attend these by wearing traditional dresses and eating the traditional food. Such is the beauty and power of our values. But in stark contrast, the upcoming, or rather the modern generation of our country tend to forget these values in the race to be updated with the world. We fought very hard to preserve these values, but we failed to live up to them in our lives. Though it is necessary to be updated with the world, it is also necessary to live up to the values of our country. So, on account of completing 73 years of independence, I would like to take a pledge to live up to these values. It's a part of our identity as an Indian. I'd also try my best to share these values with the others of our upcoming generation to make them realize the necessity of these values. Wishing everyone a happy Independence Day and a safe health. We are all Indians and we should be proud of saying this. Vande Mataram.
Everyone, I am Bharat from M&M Jain Engineering College, R8 3232. The thing I want to change in my country is the quality of education. I want standard and quality education for everyone in our country. I would like to have proper roads. I would describe our country in one word: unity, because we are standing united at all situations. And my vote for this independence is I could try to help the environment. We are Indians, Vande Mataram.
Hello all, I am Rotractor Rajeshwari, Treasurer for the year 2021, Rotary Club of M&M Jain Engineering College, sponsored by Rotary Club of Adayar, Club number 61097, Group number 12, RID 3232. The idea I want to change India like the poor people needs must be fulfilled as soon as possible. The oath I take in this Independence Day, we have to help the poor people by giving food provisions as we like. India in a single word, live our life without any restrictions. We are Indians, Vande Mataram.